Welcome to the tool wall, where time is the most valuable tool. Today I have the Klein Tools wire stripper, model number 11055. These have proved to be invaluable to me. I use them more than I thought I would. They have a really nice rubber handle. It's slightly curved so it feels comfortable, ergonomic. It's spring-loaded, easily opens close. Has a little bit of pliers on the end to work with wire, a good wire cutter, and several gauge from 20 down to looks like 12 or 18 to 10 depending on if it's solid or stranded. And then it has these holes here where you can cut or strip wire a little bit that way too. But overall, a great, invaluable tool in my toolbox. Real quick, to show you how nicely this works. This is 14 gauge stranded wire. Use this one. Nice clean cut. So yeah, it's been pretty great, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.